eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon.
You know what, guys? I found out earlier when I had my eye checkup that my grade went down. From 300, it went down to 275. So, I realized that if hindi tayo nag-glasses everyday or nagko-contact lenses, may tendency bumaba yung grado. Correct me if I'm wrong, but ayun yung na-notice ko kasi my grade was 300 February when I got this eyeglasses. Ito, 300 to. Pero kasi lockdown, hindi ako palang pasok sa work, hindi ako madalas nag-glasses cause I'm nearsighted. Pwede akong walang glasses. Nakikita ko. Hindi lang pwede pag lumabas kasi nga, hindi ko na nakikita pag malayo. So, right now, I'm using this 275, my old glasses. And then, I bought contact lenses earlier. This one is 275. And siya, ang color niya is slate gray. Ayan, 275 siya, oh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to do unboxing. We're going to unbox this one from Executive Optical, or the EO. Ayan, so this is my contact lenses that I bought earlier because I went out earlier to buy contact lenses because it's been 4 months that I haven't wear contact lenses because of the lockdown. Diba? So, we're 3 months lockdown. My contact lenses got expired and malls are closed. Kaya, ayun, na-miss ko mag-contact lenses kasi I'm not used to wear glasses. Parang masakit kasi dito. Basta nailang ako for some reason. Kaya, nagko-contact lenses talaga ako. And, I noticed that kapag hindi ka nagko-contact lenses every day or most of the time, nakakababa ng grade. Kasi nga, di ba nga hindi ako nagko-contact lenses, and nag-glasses lang ako kapag lalabas ako because I'm nearsighted. Nakakita ako pag walang glasses kapag dito lang, within the vicinity, but pag sa labas, hindi ko na makikita yung malalayo. Kaya kailangan pag nasa labas, nag-glasses ako. So, this was my old glasses because prior to lockdown, nagpagawa ko ng glasses. Ito yon, February. Bagong gawa to. It's 300. Nearsighted. Yan, 300 siya. Parang nakakahilo na siya. Bumaba kasi yung grado ko talaga. And kanina, nagpa-check ako sa optometrist. I found out na 275. Kaya, this one, ang i-unbox natin ngayon is my contact lenses from EO. The brand is Illusion. Ito siya, oh. And then, the color is slate gray. And that's my grade, 275. But usually, yung binibili ko is hazel. Yung color hazel or brown. But since it's out of stock, nag-slate gray ako. Tatry ko siya. Ito, i-unbox natin siya. Ayan, dapat po lagi tayo magpapalit ng contact lenses because it's unhygienic kapag hindi ka nagpalit. And syempre, delikado sa eyes. Ako, binibili ko is good for 1 year. But then, hindi ko siya matiis. Mga 5 months pa lang pinapalitan ko na kasi baka magkaroon ng side effects sa eyes. Mahirap na. Ito siya, oh. This one, I'm so excited to wear this. Ayun, di ba nakakaloka? Bumaba talaga yung grade ko. I'm not sure if that is correct observation na kapag hindi ka nag-glasses most of the time and nag-lenses, bababa talaga yung grade mo. Taka nga ako, bakit siya bumaba? So, 75 na lang siya. Samantalang when I had my eye check-up February, hirap na hirap yung optometrist to determine kung ano yung grade ko. Parang more than 300 pa daw. Eh, hindi ko siya matanggap. Sabi ko 300 lang talaga, ayoko na mag 400. This is the example of contact lenses. I'm gonna teach you also how to put it in your eyes. And ito siya, may free siya. Kaya gusto kong bumili sa EO kasi may freebie. Aside sa solution na 60 ml, may free ka ring contact lenses storage. This one, ito, may lalagyan siyang free. Diba? Dapat din nagpapalit ka nito kasi, syempre, nagkakaroon ng mga bacteria habang tumatagal. Ito, may free siya. Kaya pwede tayo maglagay. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. Oh, ano ba siya? Mas na pala. Ayan, pag nagkakabit tayo ng contact lenses, make sure that our hands are clean. Ayan, nagbukas na ako kanina ng hands ko. So, open ko lang to. Ayan, as you can see, may meron siyang solution. Nakababad sa solution. And medyo matagal yung expiration niya. Usually, contact lenses expired like today is 2020. So usually it takes like 5 years. Oh, this one 2029 pa. Oh no, 2026. Yeah, 5 years. Expiration is 2026. Pero once you open it, kailangan talaga kung ano nakalagay na months, which is good for 12 months, yun lang. Pero in my case, mga 5 months lang kasi parang lumalabo din kapag tumatagal na. This is slate gray. Ilagay mo siya sa hands mo. And then, put the solution. Ayan po. Hindi na siya kailangang i-rub. Unlike yung mga old contact lenses, diba? You need to rub it para malinisan. Ito hindi na. Yan lang. Tapos, using your index finger, ilalagay mo siya sa index finger mo. Ito, oh. Ayan. Lagay mo siya sa index finger. Ayan. And then, you will open your eyes like this. And then, yung tingin mo dapat diretso lang. Yan. Yun. Yan, naipasok ko na yung contact lenses ko. Pero parang ano siya, nakakairita. Kapag may nararamdaman kang parang kakaiba, pwede mo siyang tanggalin ulit. I-open mo lang yung lid ng eyes. And then, dudukutin mo siya. Yun. Pag ano, hindi sabihin kulang pa siya ng protein solution. Ayan, solution. Pagdag ko siya ulit. Solution. Tapos, ito na siya sa index finger ko siya. Open ko yung eyes ko. Diretso lang yung tingin. Oh my God! Pumasok. Lagay ulit ng solution. Pagawin ko lang tong mirror. Yan po. Oh my God! Ba't ang sakit? Baka baliktad. Usually pag ganyan, minsan baliktad din eh. Ito na, kakabit ko na siya. Ayun, nakabit ko na. Ba't ganun? Hindi ako komportable. What happened? Hindi ko kasi siya brand. Wala yung not available yung brand ko. Pero the diameter is the same. It's 14 diameter. Kasi it depends din sa eyeball ng eyes mo eh. Minsan, malaki yung lenses. Yung contact lens, kaya masakit. So, may mga ano din yan. May mga sukat. Ayan. So, okay na yung right eye. Magla-left eye tayo. By the way, FYI, dun sa prescription ng binibigay ng ating ophthalmologist or optometrist, di ba, may makikita ka doon OS and OD. OS is actually, pag OS daw is, that means that's for the right eye, and then the OD is for the left eye. Ayun. And then, meron pa siyang negative and positive. Negative is for, that means you are nearsighted, and then positive sign means you are farsighted. Yun lang po yung natutunan ko sa mga prescription na binibigay ng optometrist. Ito, I'm opening my other contact lenses for my left eye, the OD. And then I'm gonna be putting my contact lens solution, and then gonna put it on my index finger and then open my eyelid up and down. Oh my god, what happened? Hindi na ako sanay mag-contact lenses. 4 months lang ako din ng contact lenses. Hirap na ako. Ayun nga. So, pag binigyan ka ng prescription ng ophthalmologist, OS means right eye, and then OD means left eye. Kapag may positive sign, that means you are farsighted. Pag may negative sign, means you are nearsighted. And they have the astigmatism, one of the eye condition. Astigmatism means yung eyeball natin is not perfectly circled. Ang sabi, kapag parang football, doon nagkaka-astigmatism. Kapag bilog naman yung eyeball, di sabihin, okay, wala kang astigmatism. And ang code nun is CYL. Kapag nakalagay dun sa prescription mo, CYL, that means you have eye condition, which is astigmatism. That's it. OMG, what is happening? I'm having a hard time inserting my contact lenses for my left eye. There you go. Ayun. OMG. Sa wakas. Ayan. This is slate gray. Yan. Ba, okay naman siya. And since we are in new normal right now and we need to wear a face mask, so pag lalabas, hindi na tayo mag-lipstick or hindi na tayo magpa-foundation kasi matatakpan naman siya. What I usually do is after cleansing my face and putting my SPF or sunblock, I put my what you call that? Yeah, after putting my sunblock, I will put my lip moisturizer. Put my lip moisturizer. There it is. Nivea. Yun lang siya. And then, I'm gonna put my face mask. Kapag lalabas daw, dapat disposable yung face mask. Kasi meron siya talagang protection. It's surgical. Others wear like this, yung blue na sa labas, pero kung I'm not used to it, gusto ko white yung nasa labas. I don't know kung baka. Kaya aanhin ko lang yung ano dito. Nose protection. Ayan. That's it. And since ito lang nakikita, so dapat well-groom yung ang ating brows and then ang ating eyes. So, parang may excess hair ako dyan. Tanggalin ko lang. Alright, since ito lang nakikita sa atin when we go out as the new normal, we need to fix our brow using brow liner. Ayan. I have my mirror here. Mario Badescu mirror. So, let me see. Hirap kasi mag-eyebrow ng nakarap sa cellphone. So, ito. I'm gonna be using this thing. Pang ano lang. Pang feel. Pag okay na, you could add eyeshadow or you could curl your lashes since I don't have lashes anymore kasi pag papakabit ko ng false lashes every month, yan, naubos na. So, since sarado pa rin yung salon, yung mapagpalagay. Wala akong lashes ngayon. And lang po ako with face mask. Ayun lang. So, thank you so much for watching my vlog. See you again next time. Bye!
Met your smile so bright, it made me small. Our love is like a summer